Alrighty, welcome back to another trade recap. Today I took one trade on the S&P 500. I'm up around $750. And let me just start by taking you through price action from 7:30. Here we are. Okay, so coming in the market open, I actually had a pretty bullish bias as we were respecting this 4-hour bullish for value gap. However, I did want to see us come back to this new day opening gap. I wanted this to be the draw, but overall in the higher time frame, I am bullish. But intraday, I wanted to see us come back to this new day opening gap, so I was open to taking a short. However, at market open, right? Okay, so here we are. At market open, we had these data highs and data lows, which I wanted to see data highs be the draw. I wanted to see us come down and take London. Let me mark out London here real quick. Where's London? Here we are. I wanted to see us come down, take London, and move higher towards data highs is what I wanted to see coming into market open. I wanted to see us come and take these highs, these data highs, off of the manipulation leg from London. Right? So at market open, pre-market, we come down, we take London. I want to see this data highs be the draw, but I want to see market show me that we want to go there first. But at market open, we completely dump. We sell off all the way to the new day opening gap down here. Sell off all the way down to the new day opening gap, right? So now I'm not looking to take a short. Reason being is we're so far in premium and there's nothing for me to target, even though I know we're bearish and most likely we're not going back up to data highs, right? Not most likely, we're not going back up to data highs. We might actually, but most likely we're not. So all I'm looking for is a little rebalance to the internal high and this 5-minute bearish for value gap. That's all I'm looking for. Nothing crazy, not targeting up at these data highs anymore or this high, right? Just taking a little piece of the pie. So I noticed that we have our internal manipulation. We manipulate one more time. As soon as we get above that change in that inverse fair value gap, I enter long. I target that internal high for a little 1-to-1, and my TP gets blasted. Now, the biggest thing that I want you guys to take away is I knew that we were not going to go up to these highs, right? We have no higher time frame SMT. We have no external price action that is showing us that we just want to rebalance this new day opening gap and go higher, right? All this is intraday price action. It's all internal price action. So I was taking what I was confident in. I was taking this internal high, and that's it. I'm in and I'm out of the charts. That's what I'm doing. It'll be a really short video. I was done 20 minutes into market open. And the biggest lesson I want you guys to take is if we're looking at internal PA, just take the internal draw. Don't target external draw off of internal price action. Just target the internal draw. So yeah, made around $750 trading the S&P 500 today. I have one more trading day tomorrow. We have NFP. So we'll see how price action looks for that. Just looking to protect my capital, really going into tomorrow with a lot of patience. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this trade recap, and I will see you guys in the next one.